Hey there, my name is Jenny Wilson, and I am so excited to be here with you today. This is the very first time I've gone live in this group. So thank you for joining me, and I want to talk about planning ahead for the year 2021. So I specialize in helping people plan online events, parties, and workshops. So if you're in any kind of small business, network marketing, where you're selling products online, um, it's a great time to look ahead at your year and see when you would like to run different types of online parties or workshops or events to sell your products. So when you look ahead, you can see the holidays, you can see different themes that would make great workshop themes or party themes. So I'm going to show you a really easy planning spreadsheet that you can recreate yourself, and it allows you to see January through December all at once. And if you want to change the themes of your events or create ideas on the same spreadsheet, you can do that. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let me get on my correct browser because this is super easy. So you just open up your Google Chrome, um, documents, spreadsheets, whatever. All right, so hopefully you can see this, and really there's not so much that's tricky on here, okay? You just title it your event ideas planner, your party, if you do parties, or you can do workshops. So it's really up to you and your business what you want to do. But this really can apply to many different types of businesses. Okay, so you just want to put your months on the first column and just make the list, and then you have one row that's just topics. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now the kind of topics I'm talking about, you can make another tab here at the bottom with your ideas. So this is like your themes, based around holidays or special events or maybe promotions if your company does those. So you can just make another tab and make some different columns of different topics. So it can be seasonal. You see, I've got the seasons, holidays. I've got the holidays here, events, any special events. If you can do something based around a birthday or an anniversary, current topics. These are the topics I use. I'm in the health and wellness space. You can see I do essential oils, but this is really applicable for any niche. So here are a lot of different topics, and you can see like maybe you're getting the idea, like what themes or topics can work for your business. And then you can make a list of your own promotions that your company does every year and base an event or a party around that. Okay. So this is the topics, and all you have to do is, take one of these, copy it, and then come back to your 12-month planner and paste it in, right? So you just pick 6 for January, you just pick 6 for February. Then you're not tied to those topics. You don't have to do an event for each one of those, but you can look at your calendar for the month and say, okay, I would like to do an event around this topic, and this is when I'm going to plan it in the month. Put it in your paper planner or your digital planner, and that way you can map out, you know, months ahead. You don't have to commit yourself to the rest of this month or whatever, but this way you can look ahead to next month. If you don't have time to do an event, there's still time in January, um, you know, if you want to do that, but that way you can plan ahead and have an outline of what you're going to do. And typically in my business, I'll do week-long parties or workshops where we make different blends or whatever, but I'm educating. And so you don't have to actually be making something like a workshop. You can just be educating, just like a party, and you're offering your products for sale throughout that time. So that's flexible how you do it. It can be just a one-day live video. It can be however you want it, but groups are a great place to teach. And this is a great a great way to map out your topics so you kind of know ahead of time what you're planning and what you're going to be teaching people on. If you sell any kinds of products, this is a great way to maximize your sales and be able to get more going online. So let me see if okay, and I want to give you a tip about creating party posts or educational posts wherever you're doing your event. It's really easy to make those. There's free tools that you can use there's a website called Canva and Trello. These are both really good websites for creating templates, creating posts, things that you can edit each month to make it easy to reuse over and over for your different events. It takes me and my team about 2 weeks to create a party or a workshop from scratch because we're creating the posts, we're creating recipes. But really with the posts, it's just like you can switch in whatever product you're trying to promote. We also sell some of our templates and we do challenges to show people how to use them, which helps skyrocket people's businesses online. A lot of people's businesses that they did offline a lot this past year, they really had to switch up because of the pandemic and everything happening. So a lot of people have been looking for systems online that work consistently to bring in sales, new customers, new people into their business, whatever. And so events are really powerful for doing that. They're a powerful way to connect with people online and to teach them about what you offer, your products and services, to help them know, like, and trust you so that they want to join if they're interested in what you have. So when you have your events, your parties, your workshops scheduled out ahead of time, then you can integrate them into your big picture of organization and planning. So take some time to look at your personal and business calendar to see how many events you would want to run each week or each month and how many topics you would want to cover overall and whether you can do everything or what needs to be adjusted. Then you want to update your planners and stay on track with each task that you need to do for each event, each milestone, each deadline. And finally, it's a good idea to review your Facebook group and overall attraction marketing strategy and make sure that you're in good groups and that you're engaging with people around your events, your workshops, and topics for 2021 that you choose to work on. So part of running a successful event is filling it with qualified leads, right? So let's see. So that when it comes time to present your product or service, it's in front of people who are most likely to buy, right? So that's really important. You want to know who your target audience is and where they're hanging out on Facebook, what groups, and be connecting with them. So location is everything when it comes to finding qualified leads and attracting them into your parties, events, and workshops. And so you want to make sure you're in the right place to find your ideal attendees. Now, I do a weekly free training in my group on this, on attraction marketing and on promoting your products, running a successful workshops, all these things, and you're welcome to join. So if you would like to, just comment below and I will send you the link. So all my love to setting up your year planner and to integrating some events that can help build your business. So thank you for watching my video today. And please reach out if you have any questions about anything I covered. Have a great rest of your day.